Well, one more important thing, friends. Today I'm going to talk about that. How do you get your tax refund directly to your bank account? So don't be under the assumption that will directly come in case if it has been coming to your bank. In starting from 2021, you need to validate your bank account and make sure that you have enabled that. So how do you do that? You go to your eportal.incometax.gov.in, go to your contact details, say update my contact details, and then you will see an option called my bank account. Click on this my bank account. You will see a bank account name. Make sure that there's a green check mark which says validated and EBC enable, and then you need to select an option called nominate for refund. Once you do this enable nominate for refund, then the inform all the refund will come directly to your bank account. So friends, don't forget about that. Make sure it is enabled, and do look for other videos which I've just posted for the India income tax for year 2021. Thank you for watching and take care.